జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. 441st namam from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam from 47th sloka. Om Nakshatra Nemaye Namaha. Host Srimannarayana, I realize that you are the one who supports the entire planetary system. You are the one who rotates the entire celestial sphere, and you are the one who makes all the stars move. Host Srimannarayana, I surrender to your lotus-like divine feet. Om Nakshatra Nemaye Namaha. Om Nakshatra Nemaye Namaha. While meditating upon Srimannarayana, who is there within our own heart, let us sing the glory of Srimannarayana. Srimannarayana, Narayana, Narayana, Srimannarayana, Narayana, Narayana. In Sri Valmiki Ramayanam Aranyakanda, Ravanasura decided to abduct Sita Devi, and he immediately gave orders to his Sarathi to make his chariot ready. Ravanasura made this decision, Sita Paharana decision, by himself. He went into Asvasala, he went secretly over there, sat by himself alone, and then decided to abduct Sita Devi. Why did he do that? He thought if this news leaks out, everybody will be talking very, very low about him. He will just fall in everyone's eyes. And also he thought, Ravanasura thought, elderly people would hate this decision and they will think very bad about me. That is why Ravanasura did not decide about this along with his ministers. He discussed other topics with his ministers and sent them away, and then he went into his palace. He decided upon Sita Paharanam and immediately passed on orders to his Sarathi to make chariot ready. Now that Sarathi immediately brought the chariot, he made everything ready. How that chariot is looking? Kanchanam Radham Asthaya. It is a golden chariot. Ratna Bhushitam. It is decorated with so many ornaments. Kamagam. It can just go by reading the thoughts, reading the mind of the charioteer. Pisacha Vadanaihi Yuktam. It has all the faces of Pisachas. Kharaihi. Donkeys were tied to the chariot, not the horses. In that chariot, now this Ravana is traveling. Who is this Ravana? The one who is the enemy of all the Devatas. The one who tortures all the Munis, the one who has 10 heads, the one who has 20 shoulders. With all of his ornaments, Ravana is glowing, and he is now traveling in his chariot on the banks of ocean. On his way, He has been looking at so many beautiful ashramas. He has been looking at all the flowers and big trees. On his way, the ashramas that he is looking at, all those ashramas glowing because Naga, Garuda, Gandharva, Kinnara, Vaikhanasa, Mashagotra, Valakhilya, Paramarushi, Siddha, Charana, all these great people are living in those ashramas. That is why ashramas are glowing. And now Ravanasura, on his way, he is looking at all those ashramas. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. 47th sloka from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam. Anirvinnaha stavishto bhuhu dharmayupo mahamakhaha nakshatranemihi nakshatri kshamaha kshamaha samihanaha. Anirvinnasthavishto bhurdharmayupo mahamakhaha nakshatranемир nakshatri kshamaha kshamas samihanaha. Om Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Om Nakshatranemaye Namaha. Om Nakshatranemaye Namaha. Om Nakshatranemaye Namaha.